Hey everyone, today we are doing a quick tutorial. So this has been requested and I just thought, you know what, might as well just do it for you guys. This is an old template, it's just one that I just grabbed out of thin air because I don't have the resources right now to do another one all from scratch. But basically the tutorial, as the title says, is how to make like the halo style text. And to do this you want to click on the ellipse tool, make a new layer. You're then going to make a circle as best you can, and then you're going to press Ctrl and T to transform or move it into place, and then you're going to get your text and you're going to make sure it goes like this with the little wavy line in the middle, not this one because that's going to do it on the inside. You want it on this bit, and then you're literally just going to write, I don't know, we'll just do, do you know what, I can use this for my own profile. So put your name in and you can literally just select your copy, paste and paste. If it goes like this, just change your font size down, and then you can essentially delete this ellipse tool or the ellipse tool. So just click trash, and then you can get on your original one and then you can resize it as you like. You can then, obviously depending if you're adjusting the font too much, you can then add your special effects on, so you double click and your effects and everything, so you can add all that here as well if you wanted to. I hope that helps. It's super simple and you can do it in any kind of shape as well. You don't have to just do it in circle. So the same applies if you wanted to do a custom shape tool and then find the shape that you want. I mean, this is the only shape that they're going to give me, but new layer. Oh, it's going to give me a tree apparently. Don't want a tree. Wow, this is all they give you. Okay, we're not going to use them ones, but you can add custom tools. You can do a square one if you really wanted to do square, and you just add it the exact same way, and it makes it like that. So I hope that makes sense, and I hope it's so straightforward that you all see like what to do. But any questions, do just let me know. Otherwise, please like this video, and yeah, I'll catch you again real soon for some more tutorials. Thanks for watching.